Hello, my name is Darlinda Miktuk, and I would like to welcome you to a course about Twitter. Now, just to tell you a little bit about this course, I'm sure you're hearing people talking more and more about Twitter and how people are using Twitter to connect with other people and to share resources. So I'm imagining that you've signed up for this online Twitter course so that you can become part of the tweeting world. I will be the facilitator during this 2-week online course, and I will help you to learn about Twitter and how you may use Twitter in the educational setting. Now we're going to look at 3 questions during this 2-week online course. One question is, what is Twitter? Another question is, how does Twitter function? And a third question is, how does one use Twitter in the educational setting? Now we have some curriculum that we'll look at for the next 2 weeks in our online Twitter course. During week 1, we're going to focus on the origins of Twitter, what Twitter is, how Twitter functions, and in week 2, we're going to explore different ways to use Twitter in the educational setting. Now you might be asking yourself, well, what are the prerequisites for this course? What do I need to know before we get started? Well, the nice thing is this is a beginning Twitter course, therefore you don't need to know anything. As far as the course configuration, you will see that we're going to use various forms of multimedia that's going to help you, gain understanding of Twitter. As a participant, you will be expected to participate in course materials such as discussions and quizzes. And again, just to let you know, the course material will be set up as individual modules over the 2-week period. Participants will be evaluated in various ways. Every week, participants will complete a weekly quiz on any course material. Participants will also be expected to participate in weekly discussions, and the discussions will be evaluated based on a provided rubric. Participants will also be awarded badges for merit purposes, which means as a participant completes a task, they will receive a merit badge. Additionally, at the end, participants will complete a course survey. Now, I will provide you with additional resources. It may be a website, an article, a video, just something that will add to what we're looking at in the Twitter course. Now, the additional resources will not be mandatory. They'll be up to each of you to decide whether you need to look at such material or not. Now, you may have a few questions about the course, such as, will you get a certificate of completion? Yes, you will. In fact, you can obtain 2 different levels of a certificate of completion. If you complete every one of the tasks, such as a discussion or a quiz, during the 2-week online course, you'll get a certificate of completion. If you complete every task and get a 90% or better, then you'll get a certificate of completion with distinction. Now you might think, well, how many hours will I have to put in during this online course? You can expect to do about 2 hours per week. Now that can vary per person, maybe less, maybe more, but you should expect about 2 hours a week. And what materials will you need to participate in this course? You'll need a computer with an internet connection. Now you might be able to look at this course on a mobile device such as an iPad or an iPhone, but understand that neither one of those devices have flash, and therefore you may be limited in what you can do with the course. What can you expect to accomplish by the end of this course? You can expect to understand how Twitter functions and how you can use it in an educational setting. I love tweeting. I love being in Twitter land, as I call it, where I learn from other people, I connect from other people, and I would like to pass that passion on to you as a participant. And by the end of this course, my hope is that you will also find the power of tweeting and sharing resources with others and connecting with others. So again, my name is Darlinda Miktuk. I will be the facilitator for this course. And again, I look forward to helping you through your journey where you get to learn about Twitter. Thank you.